go the other way. Turn around and roller skate the other way.
Over there.
Oh, you want to go over there? Okay. Uh-oh, let's see if I can keep you in where you don't come all the way up here. Say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
So what are you doing?
Roller skating.
You are? Well, let's see you do some of that roller skating.
Oh, no. Mommy, what's that?
Well, that's part of the camera. Don't touch.
Oh, Michael.
Okay.
Nancy.
Nancy? What does Nancy have to do with our camera? Okay, here's the star roller skater. Let's see you do it. Oh, he's doing some tricks now. Look at these tricks. Come on, let's see you do it. Woo! Oh, he's going over there behind the chair. His favorite trick. Around the chair. When he steps over, he's very talented. Very talented young man. And he told me, who roller skates? Did you tell me?
Andy.
Andy roller skates, and who else roller skates?
Baby.
Baby? Uh-oh, you fell down. Can you get up yourself?
Yeah.
There he is. He got up all by himself. Are you going back that way?
Yeah.
Oh. I can't see you too well when you're behind the chair, though. I can't see you very well. Uh-oh, he fell down. You okay? No, you're not okay? Oh, he got up all by himself. Oh, you hurt your arm? Oh, you want me to kiss it? No. Uh-oh, he's klutzy. What came off? Oh, this. What came off? All right, that's enough with the roller skating. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say, see you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Ooh. And that's the end of the roller skating. And now he's going to do a somersault, I think. Whoa! Bye. Here we are. Say hi. It's January 1st, and it's the really first real snowfall, and it's 1989. And Aaron is wearing his new snow pants and his new boots. Let's see those new boots and your new snow pants. And there's his daddy. Now, what are you doing? He's climbing up the stairs. You're going to fill up your dump truck? You made it. Be careful up there. It might be slippery. He's filling up his dump truck. Say hi. Aaron, can you turn around and say hi? Aaron. Whoa, he's dumping it out. Aaron, wave hi. Aaron. There's Daddy shoveling already. This is going to be very boring unless somebody says hello or does something. Won't you say hello? Say hi to Ashley, Arwen, and Noah. And Grant and Paige.
Say hi, Ashley. Say hi, Noah.
Come on. Alright. Just so that you get a view of the snow, here's our backyard. And it's snowing a lot outside. Snowing all over our swings.
Why don't you use your little shovel?
And whoops, Mommy's not doing a very good job because she's...
Why don't you use your little shovel?
Aaron is trying to shovel with the big shovel. Alright, that's all for now. See you later. Maybe I'll take film later. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Can you say bye? Yeah. Aaron, can you say bye?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Quickly. Alright, forget it. Goodbye. By Chuck's invention, creation, Mr. Snowman. Coal for eyes and a carrot for nose. Oh, don't knock his hat off. He looks pretty cute. As long as I'm in the front, I might as well show you the front of our house in the snow. I have my fingers can't reach. Yeah. There's our house. It looks like it's way up on a hill. It is. I'm down below. And here we are. You can zoom in for a close-up of that snowman and Chuck. Ta-da! He looks like he got sunglasses on. But he's pretty cute. The snowman of 1989.
First date. The first snowfall on our new driveway.
Oh yeah, we'll be able to shovel it easier. And here comes the other star.
Shovel that walkway. Hurry up. Work.
Oh, he disappeared. Where'd he go?
Hey, you know, we should have known it was going to
All
snow
right,
today.
goodbye.
Oh, we got the...
I'm not just filming.
Mom! Ah!
It doesn't go. That's what, well, we can't go down there. It doesn't go. You're not heavy enough. That's why it's better on.
Ready?
Hey, you got Mama's gloves on.
Come, let's go up.
Oh, Paul, you have it on our snowflake guy. Woo! Woo! Yay! Stars. Crash.
Crashed. We crashed. Daddy crashed. Don't walk on it. You'll fall. And go get it. Hold on.
Whoa.
Why is this robot?
Doing his trick again.
Okay, you ready?
Here he goes. Woo! Perfect shot, Mommy got too. Can you say hi?
See if you can walk up yourself.
What are you kicking?
Mom! Hey!
Take it up yourself. Go again. This is where you, so you don't hit the car.
I walk on.
Well, then you'll ruin it.
What are you eating, Aaron? What are you eating? Is that a cheese tortilla?
Is it good? You smiling for the camera?
Don't smile. That's fakey. Say, Bugga.
That's what Mommy says.
Well, tell us something. What's your name? Your name is Bugga. What is your name?
What kind of soup did you have?
But it was a good kind of tired. It was time to go to the house for a delicious farm lunch.
What are you eating?
Tia.
Tortilla? What's in it?
Cheese and
What kind of cheese?
Marcus.
Monster cheese. Are you a monster?
Yeah, monster say monster.
What are you?
The island.
Oh, are you a little boy? Are you a baby?
No.
Oh, what are you? You a little boy?
No.
What are you?
Oh.
You're a pig, that's what you are.
Hey, that's not nice too.
Well, you're stuffing the whole thing in his mouth.
What are you looking at?
That's loud. I have Melanie.
Wait, start now. Start.
I have Melanie. I have crazy hair.
Say, what happened at camp today? What did they do?
We gave our teacher with toilet paper.
Oh, you made him like a mummy? And what did they do to your hair?
No, I think
They
they put
put-
off into Grandpa's car.
Your hair was purple hair and glitter?
And pit
Take
and
a
red.
And it
picture
was
of me
sticking up
now.
before, wasn't it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Say, this is my new bathing suit.
That's my new baby.
And he asked how's Noah and Ashley and
I
Arwen.
did.
And
I
Uncle
put
Steve.
I
And
did
Uncle
something
Steve.
like him, and I did this.
Karen, that's not funny.
He was silly.
Do
And
something.
I
What does it stand for?
two cats and
Yeah.
just
Wait, one at a time.
Why don't you say
Well,
something? Ooh.
Go slow so that you...
and I
Hey.
did.
Going too wild, that's why you're not staying
I
up.
watched this Grandpa. Watch
Oh, you look ahead.
What?
Watch this Grandpa.
Grandpa, watch her.
When I put the
Wow.
and here.
Here, you want to do your high
Look at the camera,
level?
Julie. Look at the camera.
Okay.
Ready, Paul? Wait.
Wait.
I
You
did
let
this
us in
and
camp
I
today.
did this and I did this
Hi.
and move up high and
Wait, up high.
jump and jump. And I just did this and this.
Hey, Yvette.
Hi there. Hi, Melanie. How is everybody? I hope they're all
The big
well.
Dad, now can I sing?
Have a good
And
time.
we're going to see you in July. We're coming down for 2 days. And looking forward to seeing you all. Here, so
I'm
that.
filming Grandpa.
Don't shoot that.
By the way, I want Grandpa to say hello. Get out of the way.
It's nice, Aaron. You're going to be embarrassed when you get home.
Now,
Don't go in front of the
Hi,
camera.
Melanie. Relaxing before the big job.
I told you.
Have a good time.
see you in a month.
See you in July.
I'm taking off.
Lord willing.
Aaron, don't shoot him nude. You're gonna be awfully-
After
No,
you take
because
a
you didn't do
shower,
what we
you
asked.
can.
Sorry.
Go to
Let's
bed.
go take a shower first, then you'll be able to see it. Go.
I get babies. Ooh, ooh. Wow.
Julianne, do another dance. Julianne.
Do a
Oh,
dance.
yeah, look, look.
Do a dance for that Mel.
I'm not fancy.
I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Is that a dance?
Wait, sing a song.
Oh, what song are you going to sing?
Sing Old MacDonald.
Come on, sing.
Oh,
Wait, I know what you can do.
Wild,
You're
night
showing
wild.
us. You're showing us. They don't want
Here, hey, Julianne. Give me your... Wait, shut up for a second. Give me your deep hello. Say hello, Uncle Steve. Hey, Julianne.
Thank you. She's giving me a ring.
Julianne. Wait, stop bouncing around.
Stand still a minute and say hello to Uncle Steve. Stop bouncing. Did you hear us? Stop bouncing.
Julianne. Hey, stop. Stand still. Stand still. Say hello to Uncle Steve.
All right, stop already. I want to watch something. Where's the thing, Bob?
And Noah, don't forget Noah.
Noah.
Blow him a kiss.
Come on, there's a new show.
Blow him a kiss.
Throw a kiss.
And say bye-bye.
It was mild.
Cutest tush in the world. Yes.
The end.
The end.
So, say welcome to the summer of 1992. Here we are in Bethany Beach, Delaware. What's today? July 28th, 1992. And there's Uncle Steve having a hard day at the old beach.
It's what, 1 o'clock or something?
It's 1 o'clock,
An hour now.
and you've been up for an
Got up
hour.
early today. The sun is out.
The sun is a gorgeous day. Here we'll take a little view. Let's see if we can look at the ocean right outside our door. Maybe we can even see. Let's see if I can get close up. We might be able to see Melanie and everybody. Is anybody out there? Where are they all? Those chairs look empty. I think that's our chairs. There's, let's see. Trying to see if I see. I think, is that Melanie's Son of the Beach? No, let's see.
Yeah, that's Melanie walking down there on the right at the surf line.
Let's see if I can find there. There's Melanie. You can see her. Maybe Ashley and Noah are probably swimming. And she's walking up here now towards the chairs. It's a beautiful day. We've had mixture of weather. And maybe now we'll go down to the beach and check it out.
Mixture, you mean it's going to be
Mixture,
overcast
overcast and overcast, mixture of rain and sun and clouds. See ya. And here we are down at the beach. What's the matter?
When you protect that one.
What do you want to show me? Aaron, what are you doing? Let's see where that breakfast is. Here we are. They made a breakfast. What's it called? Let's see. It says, if I can walk without tripping. It's called the Ancient, let's see, the Ancient Memorial Temple Complex of Breakfast. And there we have some, Julianne's head we have bacon, eggs, fried eggs, and toast.
Have an accident. Stay away.
Let's see if I step back from it, maybe we can get all of it in the camera. There we go.
Is that should be down or up?
She's in the water. So Paul, say hello. Paul. Paul, you ready to say hello? Woo! We're at the beach. What are you making? Julianne, say hi.
Hey, Mama, take a picture of my
Of your what? Your dribble? I took a picture of the dribble. Let's see if I can get closer.
You gotta take the house.
Yeah, I'll have to take a picture of the house. There's Julianne. Let's see, I'll back up and we'll scan. And there's our house right behind Melanie with the little balcony on the top there. It's a nice house with its own little walkway. We're right on the beach. There's a swing underneath. There's Melanie. Say hi. We're having a good time. And there's Noah. He's already been out body surfing and boogie board surfing. Everybody's having a good time. And I think Ashley is down there. There's Ashley. Ashley's building a big dribble. A big dribble castle. Yep. And the waves are coming in. There were some jellyfish around. And we've seen lots of dolphins. I don't think there's any out there today. Let's see, where are you? There's Aaron's beautiful dribble castle. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, just like you. I said it's gorgeous, just like you. Aaron had an ear infection since we've been here. And he had chicken pox last week, and we're looking to see if Julianne's gonna get chicken pox today. I took a picture of it. Way close I did.